Hello and welcome, everybody. Today we got some very exciting news. It's Hackathon Eve. I forgot to say yesterday that it was Hackathon Eve, but today's Hackathon Eve. And if you don't know what we're talking about the Oyo class Code Conquest 2024 Oregon Trail tomorrow. I don't know why they've never shortened that name, and it's a little annoying. But all right, so let's get into it. So this. Someone just commented first in chat. Hold on, I gotta put a second. No, second send. Okay. All right. So this year's theme, like I was talking about, is Oregon Trail. Steve and Sam and I will be competing tomorrow. Though Liam, you don't really know anything about the Code Conquest, so we're gonna explain it to you. All right.
All right.
So the Kidoyo Code Conquest, isn't it a beautiful thing? This what you see on screen now is called the Hackathon map, all right? And it's divided into these territories. You see there's a territory here, and all the black lines are territories. Also, they have to be this, like, light gray color, not anything around it. Okay, each one of those territories gives a project description. For example, one might be make a clicker game based on, the Oregon Trail, right? And then you would make a clicker game in Scratch or Python, or it will say which one to make it in. And then you would submit it, and maybe you get the territory, right? Great, perfect. But maybe you don't meet the requirements, then you don't get it. Each territory has a point value too, so that will increase your score on the side. Say you make a great game, but then someone comes along and they make a better game, they can submit it for that same territory and take those points for you. The competition is 3 hours long, which means you got some time to make some pretty good games. But yeah, so I'm very excited for tomorrow. Steven, who do you think's going to win?
Pop-Hog. Got to win.
Definitely not Miniola.
Not Miniola. Oh, Miniola. Not Manhasset Digital Ducks. Oh, not them. It's all Hop-Hog.
I like the ducks. They're pretty cool.
No, Steven, you don't like the ducks. You do not like the ducks. Guys, I think it's going to be Sayville. Sayville's going to win, guys. But all right, so I'm very excited for tomorrow. Steven, what's our hackathon strategy?
We're going to win.
Good, you're PR trained. Yeah. There's gonna be also the reason that this is kind of interesting for you people is we're gonna live stream the whole event tomorrow. So 3 to 4 hours. You will get 3 to 4 hours of the hackathon live tomorrow. I won't be on it, though. You'll see us in the background coding away. You'll see how we do. We're obviously the Hop-Hog Coding Eagles, if you want to follow along. But there will be a great friend of ours, Lewis, will be hosting the live stream tomorrow. Going to bring on guests. He's going to bring on the infamous Mr. Ferrara, who we always talk about, though you don't really have a face to go with the name. He's going to bring on Miss Thompson, also kind of infamous, not as much. I say infamous in a partially good and bad way. But yeah, so I'm very excited. I've been instructed not to pay attention to the stream. Like, if I hear it's crashing, I'm not allowed to fix it. Because I gotta win first, and then maybe I can fix the stream. But yeah, and I'll pop in and out too. So I'm very excited for tomorrow. Liam, do you have any questions about this map? Something you didn't get?
Oh, really?
Nope. All right. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. I'm very excited. We also get out of school tomorrow, though I also got out like today and the day before that, just because I'm so cool. But all right, what's today's tech fun fact? Okay, on this day in 2002, the original Xbox was released in Europe and Australia. Well, if you're from those places, in 2002, you got the Xbox. Actually, I have our viewer demographics, and a surprising amount is from Europe. So, there you go. All right.
That's interesting.
We also have a game to play later. Excited for that. But let's move on to our speedrun topics. Minecraft is adding a mace weapon. Oh God, to Minecraft. It's coming to test soon. So let's take a look. We got an image of this. I think we do here. All right. It looks pretty interesting. It's huge. It looks like a larger axe. You can see it over here. Let's see. I think we have another photo too. Yeah, look at that. That could take someone out. Do we know like how much damage it's gonna deal or anything like that?
My bet is it's gonna do higher crit damage than the axe, but with a longer cooldown, and most likely do almost no non-crit damage.
All right, interesting.
That makes sense.
Yeah, the interesting thing, crits, I believe, are turned off, I think, on servers in Bedrock. So I wonder how, when it comes to Bedrock, what would...
Bedrock has never updated to the combat update. They are still on the old combat.
Yeah, I know. I started as a Bedrock player. Now I'm more of a both. If we're playing survival, it's Java. If we're playing servers, it's Bedrock for me. That's just how I roll. All right. I heard someone in the chat. Ooh, 396 subscribers. We're 4 away from 400. I'm not even gonna ask to get to 400 this stream, because that would mean we would have to play all those games, and I'm really tired. I've had a long week of hackathon training. So Monday, get us to 400 after tomorrow's stream. Monday. That's all we need. But all right, someone was asking for that link. I do have it. It's not the same one I have though, just because I'm you don't get to be as cool as me, but no, it's just there's a public facing map and then there's a private map. I don't even know. I'll find the public one. Might take me a second. But yeah, all right, that Minecraft update sounds pretty cool. Google says Chrome can now protect you better while preserving your privacy. The move should block 25% of phishing attacks. Phishing attacks are so annoying. That's where they send you a link and you click on it, boom, you're hacked, just like that. And they're really easy for hackers to set up, which is bad, obviously. But hopefully, again, Chrome added this new update, so hopefully that fixes it. Yeah. All right. SpaceX Starship reached orbital velocity today. Wow, that's awesome. I remember when it blew up both of the last times, right? That was twice?
That was kind of crazy.
Yeah. They never stopped blowing up. What happened today? Did it blow up again? What?
It was successful.
Oh.
But you know what the news said?
What?
It failed.
Well, because SpaceX says, they said all 3 of the times were successful, but the news are like, nah, bro, it blew up. So
yeah, but this time it was actually successful.
All right. Well, hopefully. Well, I hope that's good. I hope that's true, because that would be good news for SpaceX and for everyone. Because one day when Earth blows up, we need somewhere else to go.
We're going to Mars.
We're going to Mars. Like, what was that thing? It's the Yellowstone super volcano, something like that, was gonna blow up and kill us all. But there's none of those on Mars. Like, I feel like that's... Oh, I found the map link. Finally.
Yeah, I got it. I sent it in chat.
You found it?
It's something. I assume once the event starts, it will appear.
All right. I don't even see your link in chat, so maybe it didn't work.
Oh, you have it disabled for mods. Yeah.
Oh, okay. No link. Anyway, I sent it. That's the forward-facing one. Oh God, we're at 397. They're gonna get us to 400 just to be annoying. I know it, and when I said I don't want it, I really meant I don't want it. I wasn't just doing that for bait. But all right, so that's the link for the in chat. And that map and leaderboard will be on the TSARP stream tomorrow, so you won't need to have both open. You'll see the leaderboard, you'll see the map, and you'll see the live commentary with the camera, so you might see us in the background. It's going to be really cool. We've done all the bells and whistles, so it will be a very exciting and nerdy event. I hope you all enjoy it. All right, let's see what other news we got today. Reddit introduces a new ad format that's similar to posts made by users. That's interesting. I mean, all these social media platforms are all about advertising, right? Twitter's about advertising. They're not doing a good job at it. People are canceling their ads. But Reddit, these new posts are going to look like, a user posted it, but it's really going to be an ad. Sometimes I do get tricked on Twitter. I think it's a real person, and then I see the little sponsored thing at the bottom. But
that's happened to me a couple times.
Yeah.
Has that not been on Reddit for a while? Because all of them are in the same format as, I think, as the users.
It might be more similar now. I don't have a picture of it. But all right. We'll see. What if there were just pop-up ads on TSARP, man? Like, what if a little thing came down from the top? It was like, go get some Pizza Hut. And then we were like, oh, guys, look at the ad. There it goes. No, people would start unsubscribing rapidly. All right, let's see what else we got today. Amazon will let sellers paste a link so AI can make a product page. All right, more features coming with AI to Amazon. Someone I know does a lot of Amazon. They have their own Amazon seller, like they're a seller on Amazon. So I know a lot about how Amazon works and that stuff on like the back end. But that's interesting because I would have thought platforms like that would take the other angle, right? And be like, no, we don't want our users, using AI for products, But no, Amazon, they're on the forefront. Amazon has a big investment in Anthropic, which is a big AI startup too. So Amazon on the forefront. Let's see. Instagram is working on a spins feature for Reels. It will allow other users to swap out the text or audio in your Reels. So basically, it kind of reminds me of some features we've seen with like YouTube Remix. But this will basically be where you'll post a reel, right? And you'll enable the spins feature. So then someone can take your reel, which is just like a TikTok or YouTube short if you don't know, and then they'll be able to pop in other text. Maybe it will be great for memes, right? Built-in meme templates, or maybe like there's all different formats and templates on YouTube. So maybe something, all over social media, but now that might come to Instagram too. So very interesting to see. All right, I don't even know how to say that. Zoox, Zoox. Amazon's robo-taxi company is making it so that taxis will start driving at night, as well as in light rain and damp road conditions. They will be starting driving at speeds of up to 45 miles per hour on multi-lane roads. They will be accepting real passengers later this year. They are only in Foster City and Las Vegas. Okay. My question is, why is it a robo-taxi company if it's not actually accepting real passengers? Do they mean like they were just like they were beta users and then that will be like open to everyone, or not too sure there. Google has their own self-driving program. There's third-party startups too. Third-party as in like not attached to a large company, just like a smaller company. And there's even, obviously Tesla with their self-driving, but that's not like a robo-taxi. That's just built into the car. But a lot of interesting stuff to take a look at there. All right. Let's see what else. Were you making fun of my Twitter blue in chat, Liam?
Yep.
Okay, I will give you the reasoning. I have had, originally both the TSARP account and my account had Twitter Blue. Then it was just the TSARP account, and then I removed it on my account too, but then there was someone that I wanted to DM, and I could only DM them if I had Twitter Blue, so I bought it again. I don't know. I like it just because, like, it does make your posts stand out, too, so it's better for, like, advertising the podcast, right? Because your posts stand out more. But, yeah, I don't know. That's my only reasoning. All right, should we get to that Scratch game? Think so.
You totally should.
Been playing it for a little. It's really well made so far, from what I can see.
All right, fungi side. 50 likes, and I'll add an icon on the map showing where you are. All right.
I like that. We need one.
Let me like it. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Like. W and S to look up and down. A and D to move left and right. J to jump. L to attack. K to dash. Space to super dash. M to access the inventory. And I'm going to forget all of those in a second. So let's see. Chromomin Games. Yeah, I said that right. Okay. Let's click new, right? New? Yeah, new. New's good. All right. Oh, I like this animation on the screen. In a small raven existed 3 magical crystals. These crystals turned the once barren raven into ravine. Oh my god, I'm an idiot. Sorry. Ravine into a place full of life. All right. Everything was fine until one day a strong gust of wind blew the crystals off the very totems they rested on. Without these crystals, the piece of the ravine would disappear, and it would turn back into the barren wasteland it once was. I don't know, this font is tripping me up, guys. Until someone returned the crystals back to their totems, it would spell catastrophe for the ravine. All right, lots of story to go with this. Let's see. Can I just skip a little past this? All right, there's a lot. All right, this is cool. It's got some good graphics. Okay, I see an E. Oh, is that me? Am I the mushroom there? All right, pretty cool. Can I jump? No, I don't think so.
Yes, with
Oh no,
K.
Andrew, I'm
J is
dying.
Oh, with K. With K is jump.
Juliet.
J.
Juliet.
Oh, J. Got it. All right. Let's see. Oh God. Nope. Fell on the crystals.
There's a bug. If you do that, you
No.
actually respawn at the next platform.
Wait,
At least
what?
for me.
Oh, no. Just died again. Oh, yeah, you're right. That did happen. Okay, that was good. Okay, I gotta kill that thing. No, oh, God, I died again. Okay, don't look at this, guys. Just look away from the screen. But don't click off, because that would be bad. All right, E, right? I think it was E? No? Why?
E,
E,
yes.
Okay. Now, let's see. I'm running. Oh, it was... Oh, no, I'm gonna die. Okay. What was sprint? There was a sprint, right? I think there was. Ah, no, I died again. Okay.
Oh,
Let's see. This 50th time the charm. Yep, did it. You didn't think I could. Okay. Let's see. Now I gotta kill this guy again. I should keep my distance. Okay, I'm keeping my distance here. That's good. And then there's a ladder over here. Okay. Pretty good. And then I remember I don't play story games really the whole time just because sometimes they're too long. But oh God, is there a double jump or am I just supposed to make that? Oh yeah, so I don't play story games sometimes because they're too long. But also because like if I played the whole game, then you guys wouldn't play it because it would be like, spoiling the ending. So yeah, I'll play for a little while longer, but this gives you a very good hint of like, how the game is. But it's really cool. I love the art. I love the gameplay. I love the style of game. I like when someone does pixel art very good in Scratch, because sometimes they'll mix pixel art with, like, just regular vector art, and it doesn't look good. But this is perfect. This looks really, really cool. I love this style. I kind of like the dark caves, it's a ravine. Yeah, I think this is really perfect. They're much better at Scratch than me, so I don't feel like I could give any feedback. And yeah, that's pretty much it. What do you guys think?
Feedback for this game would be optimizing the controls. So, for example, you could put space to be jump or something that's easier to understand.
I thought that
someone
was
can't understand the controls when they first join, they're probably going to click right off.
Yeah, that is one thing.
It's very unnatural, especially with nothing really significant being down to K, at least as much as I've played. Putting it somewhere else and putting the important keys all close together.
All right, K's to dash, right? Because I was trying to find a quicker way to move, or that was going to be my feedback.
I can't get the dash to work.
Yeah, I'm not getting the dash to work. Did I get the key there? I think I did. Disappeared. All right. Well, this game is very cool. You guys should definitely continue playing on your own. Is the link in chat? I'll send it. Oh God, I clicked on the ending. I clicked on the ending screen. I do that all the time. All right. The link is now in chat. I'm still working on it, as you know. Not complete. Oh, okay. It's not complete. All right. But yeah, I think it's very, very cool. That's the only thing I would say. Just going a little faster. But yeah, awesome. All right. I think that about does it for today's episode. I mean, I would keep going with more topics, but I think we did them all. But also I'm really tired from this week, and I want to go and crash so then I can sleep all night and then have enough energy for the hackathon tomorrow. I'll see you all there, and then we will do a normally scheduled episode after that. So we got a lot going on tomorrow. I can't wait for it. It's going to be a great day. I'll see you all then. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye, everybody.